Today we're making a game day snack on the Blackstone, hot honey mustard chicken pretzel sliders. Then I have about 1.5 pounds of diced chicken thighs, olive oil or any cooking oil that you like, and the chicken. Kosher salt, pepper, and then the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning. And also some of this honey jalapeno seasoning. This really won't take long to cook, just about 6 or 7 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to make a hot honey mustard sauce, starting with hot honey. We're going to aim for about 3 tablespoons of each. The hot honey, the mustard, and the mayonnaise. If you wanted it extra spicy, you could use a spicy mustard. I'm just going to go with Dijon because this hot honey is pretty spicy. And the mayonnaise. And just a little salt and pepper. Are looking and smelling amazing already. Gonna give this a mix. So we're gonna put about half of this mixture right onto the chicken. It'll kind of caramelize on the griddle. This just needs about another 2 minutes. These are finished. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the Blackstone. It's still pretty warm. We're going to use that heat to toast the pretzel buns because we don't want them to burn. And these are nice because they are already pre-sliced. They're going to go cut side down on the griddle, just till they get nice and toasty. I'm going to build these sliders right on the Blackstone. The buns are nice and toasty. And we're going to add the rest of that hot honey mustard sauce to the bottom bun. And we're going to try to fit all this chicken. If we have some left over, we'll just have a little bonus snack. I think it's going to fit. And some slices of pepper jack cheese, or you could really use any cheese that you like. We're going to overlap them slightly. We'll add the top pretzel bun. And then just cover it with a melting dome until the cheese is melted. Carefully try to transfer this. Game day sliders on the Blackstone, hot honey chicken on pretzel buns. Just want to do my happy dance. I don't know the words. Definitely will be making these again.